Hey there travelers, Gared here from the Kingdom team, and I want to welcome you to a very special resort that I'm at right now here within the walls of Walt Disney World. Now, while it may not be a Disney resort, it is nonetheless spectacular. I'm talking about the brand new JW Marriott, recently built this past summer. I got a one night here. I want to show you some of the amazing things that it has in store, so let's go check it out, shall we? The JW Marriott is located in the back of the Bonnet Creek resort area, if you know where that is. It's pretty much sandwiched between Epcot, Hollywood Studios, and Disney Springs. It's an area that many people drive past if you don't know what you're looking for. So if you ever get the chance, come back here and explore. There's a lot of different resorts. There's some Hilton, there's some Wyndham, and then in the back here is the JW, which is one of the nicest resorts slash hotels that I've ever had the pleasure of staying at. I've stayed here one time before, but I want to take you along with me, like I said. So before we get to the room, I want to check out the pool and the lobby area. The lobby is pretty dang big. It has multiple areas for sitting and waiting, and due to this health crisis going on around the world, there's not many people staying here except for during the weekends. So if you ever want to be around when there's no one around, the weekdays are the way to go. The pool has actually two pools. There is the family one, and then there's the adult only one. This one with the fountains right here, this is the family one with a zero entry. I love zero entry pools. It makes for getting in and out very easy. And if you have any mobility issues, zero entry are definitely your best friends. And then, yeah, it's just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The lobby of the JW feels like a mixture of Tony Stark meets the world of Avatar, where you've got metals and glass and, you know, stuff that humans have created mixed with the craftsmanship and woodwork that, you know, a Na'vi person might make. It honestly looks really good. Oftentimes it can be hard to, you know, blend metal and wood together, but They do a good job. Kudos to their interior decorator. Here is the family pool. Not many people out right now, as you can tell. That's gorgeous. They do have cabanas as well right here, available for reservation. Here we have the adult pool. It's a lot smaller than the family one, but I really like these sort of mini cabanas where you've got giant couches with these curtains on them. Ooh, that's actually nice material right there. You see that? My gosh, what's that? The red count. But this is really elegant resort. The only thing that gets higher tier than this outside of Disney would be the Four Seasons or a Ritz-Carlton, but this is the height of a luxury resort here at the Disney Resort, that's for sure. There's also a kids play area back here with some dancing water. It's like my own miniature version of World of Color. The world is a carousel of color, wonderful songs of the color. I don't know the lyrics, I need to rewatch it again. Very pretty. Alright, we're gonna head into the elevators now. Head on up to the room, check out the view, check out all the stuff that's going on inside. Got some good party music. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elevator doors. We're taking elevator number 1. Head on in, and there is social distancing sign right there. And yeah, no. I'm not quite there yet, I'm only halfway there. Fast elevator. I like the lighting in here. There's so much light. I feel like you're stepping into a music video for NSYNC or Backstreet. It depends on which one you're going to. I don't remember my room number. Remember my room number. Got it on the first try. Let's get you on inside. You head on in. You got some artwork. Oh, hello, lights. Check it out. Got the kitchen. What's up? Got 2 queen beds. Oh, good evening, Gared. Oh, thank you very much. But this is considered the resort view. And you get to look at the top of the lobby and where you pull in. But you do get a view of, oh, you can see the Swan and Dolphin off in the distance. You've got Bonnet Creek all right there. Those lights over there, I believe that might be the Wide World of Sports. Now that I'm inside and alone, I can take off my mask and you can see my beautiful smile. This room is quite spectacular. Yeah, I'll give you the grand tour in just a second, but it's a beautiful room. I like the lighting behind me and these beds. Oh, that's a comfy bed. You just turn into Morph from Treasure Planet if you haven't seen that movie. Shame on you. But it's a nice place to take a nap. Yeah, I like it. First thing I want to show you is the window. While it is floor to ceiling, it only goes up to here. Over there, I learned that there is a wall. So don't try and think like, oh my gosh, I get to wake up basking in light. No, only a third of you will be basking in light. A third of the room. But still, that's a lot of light. It's really nice. It is now time for the grand tour. Your tour begins here in our gallery. No. Upon entrance, you've got map, artwork, and you got the closet. Inside the closet, you've got hangers, you've got a safe, some drawers, you've got a bathrobe with the JW Marriott symbol on there. And this is the TY Sophistique. So, if I could speak, TY Sophistique collection. With some other amenities in there. Next, we have your espresso maker, and inside here we've got some lovely teas and some espressos with a brand I am not going to try and pronounce. I'm just going to say Illy, not the IP. Yeah, I'll skip that. Some water with some tongs, and ice bucket. Then in here you got the mini fridge with open door. I like that, that's nice. And then the bathroom, you've got, oh, sorry, you got the sliding door. Another robe, then you've got the shower. I like the glass shower, you just step on it and boom. It's got 2 shower heads, big and small, and then some weird handles. Talk about that later. And then you've got some nice shampoo, conditioner, and body wash with lavender and ylang, I believe that's the pronunciation. With rosemary, it's a nice smell. You got the faucet, the mirror. I like the lighting around the mirror, that is quite nice. With a vanity mirror right there. Hello. And then you got the bathtub, and then, if I remove that real fast, we have the toilet in here. Can I turn on the light? Hey yo! Just normal toilet. Nothing spectacular about it except there. The light is square. Now, into the bedroom, you have a little place where you can put your bags and such. 2 queen beds. The lighting around the beds is beautiful. I would really like to have that in my home one day. You've also got the desk. Then you have a giant mirror there. You have your smart TV. And yeah, you got the 2 beds with the light. I like this light. Here you go. Boom. Oh, cool. 1, partial, 2. Boom! But yeah, this bed, quite nice. Jump on this one because I already jumped on it once. Jumping! Overall, my experience here at the JW Marriott at the Bonnet Creek Resort in Walt Disney World, that is a mouthful for a title of a resort. It's been spectacular. I've enjoyed every moment of it. The lobby is gorgeous. The bar is really cool with the dangly lights, and the pool is gorgeous. I'm a big fan of pools. I love pools. After all, I've worked as a lifeguard. Now there's time. And the room here, it's a gorgeous room. There's a lot of space. There's overall, it's just really, really beautiful. I hope that you have the opportunity to come out here and experience it yourself. Right now, the only downside to coming here is that not all the amenities are available. There is a rooftop bar that would typically have cocktails and some appetizers being served while watching the fireworks go off around the different properties. But that unfortunately is not going on to promote social distancing and keeping everyone safe. Along with that, the spa and the activity center, those are unavailable. And my heart goes out to the activity center because they have a mini golf course and it would have been so much fun. But I digress. Without all that, it is still a glorious, luxurious resort, and I highly recommend it. So come on out here if you have the chance. And when everything does reopen, I hope to come back again and take you along with me. But for now, this has been Gared from the Kingdom team, and it's been a pleasure.
To all who come to this happy place, welcome.